Or this one is for number 3 on the application quiz number 4. Suppose a function f of x is a function given in the graph below, and I'm telling you that the definite integral from 0 to 2 of this function is equal to negative 8 over 3. I think your problem has positive. But what does that mean in the picture? So that's 0 right there, and that's 2 right there, right? So from 0 to 2, the area that is bounded by this graph and that x-axis, okay? You know this is a negative area because it's below the x-axis. But what they are saying is that this green area, it's negative 8 over 3, okay? First question is asking, what is the area as we go from 0 to 1? So if the entire green piece is negative 8 over 3, they're asking you how much area is in between 0 and 1. You see what's being asked over here, right? So they're just asking you for the half of the green piece. So I'm having so much fun with my highlighter today. Let me color. So they're asking you, hey, what's that much? Well, that's exactly half of what we got, isn't it? So what is half of negative 8 over 3? That is equal to negative 8 over 6, right? I divide negative 8 over 3 by 3. You know what? We better simplify this, right? That's negative 4 over 3. So the first answer was simply asking for, hey, if green is this, what's half of that? Well, that's exactly half of that. Okay, so next part is asking, what is the area in between negative 2 and positive 2? So let's read those bounds. Use a different color. Negative 2 is right here. That's negative 2. And then 2 is up here. Okay, look at that. This time, I like this. They want bigger picture. So from here to there. How many of these upside down McDonald's shape do we have? Or, well, this U shape do we have? You see that we have twice that original green piece they gave us, right? So this time it's going to be twice as negative 8 over 3. Because see, from negative 2 to positive 2, we have 2 of that same picture. So what is 2 times negative 8 over 3? That is negative 16 over 3. And I don't think that can be simplified, so that will be my final answer. So you know, this one, it's a definite integral problem, but we're doing this using geometry. Thinking of it as the area under the curve. Or let's do the very last one. Oh, interesting. Hold on, let me just bring it up here. Let me just put it up here. I think that's the last one here. Okay, so for part C, we are going from negative 3 to negative 1. Hold on, I'm gonna go ahead and erase some of these pictures, the colors, okay? Okay, because it was confusing me with too many colors going on. Like, we know this is what they gave us. That was negative 8 over 3. Now, what are they asking us? From negative 3 to negative 1. Negative 3. Okay, from here, that's the starting line, right? That's negative 3 to negative 1. So that's what they want. It's so cute. Look at that. It's half of a parabola right there and another half right there. But listen, I mean, if I add them together, wouldn't it be the same? Like, I imagine this. Imagine just moving this to this, and we're looking at a whole parabola. So it's gonna be the same as the negative 8 over 3. But there is one more piece to this that we have to pay attention to. So what I underlined in green is in pink is that much. But you see we have a different number here. We have something in front of it, and that's that 4 right there, okay? Pull that 4 out to the front. Pull that 4 out to the front. And then just find the area in between negative 3 and negative 1, okay? And then we're just going to multiply that by 4. So I just pull that to the front. We're multiplying 4 by what number? What is the area of this pink? Do you agree with me that this pink area is really the same as this green area, right? Because imagine if I just move that half over there, they're the same exact thing. So I'm multiplying this by negative 8 over 3. So my final answer is negative 32 over 3. And that is how you would do number 3. And my example, because I was trying to make it similar, not exactly the same. That's why I have these negatives, but I think your numbers are nicer actually. Just pay attention to like where you are starting, where you are ending. If you have a number like that, just pull that out to the front and make sure to multiply, okay? So that's for number 3. I will be back after checking the numbers on number 2 and 4 because I try to make it similar, but I think there was a typo. So I'm gonna go ahead and, check my example and come back and record number 2 and 4 for you soon.